Jake here for Extreme Terrain, and in this video, I'm going to be taking a look at the door handle covers in gloss black, fitting 2016 to 2023 Tacoma Access Cab and double cabs. If you're looking for a way to update the looks of your Tacoma, whether you're going for that full chrome delete or not, these door handle covers are going to appeal to you. They offer a simple, easy solution to give your truck a sleek look without spending a ton of money or sacrificing any functionality. If you're going for that blacked out look on your Tacoma, one of the things that you might have been struggling to get matched up right are the door handles. So rather than wrapping them or replacing them or doing something else to make it happen, these are a simple, easy way to get the look you want without a ton of fuss. Now essentially, these are just gonna fit right over top of your door handles. They're essentially a snap-on and click type of setup. They do have some adhesive on the insides too to make them a little bit extra secure, and they fit perfectly over your factory handles, so no fuss, no mess. It makes them easily removable too, should you want to change things up or return the truck to stock at some point later down the line. These also retain the full function of your handles, so they will function exactly as they did before. They're just going to look a little bit cooler. Now that includes your keyless entry sensors. So these are designed to work with your truck's keyless entry system, so you retain the full function of that with the covers in place as well if your truck is so equipped. So again, absolutely no compromise in functionality here, and you get a nice cool look to go along with it. Now each cover is made from ABS plastic, and of course it's finished with that gloss black color scheme. Now the ABS material means that these are gonna wear well and they're gonna be quite durable on your truck for some time to come. These are also impact resistant, so if you happen to catch the handle on something, you don't have to worry about them shattering or cracking in your hands. Now on the back sides, like I mentioned a moment ago, you've got pieces of automotive grade double-sided adhesive to help keep them in place, in addition to the click style mechanism that puts them on in the first place, so they're extra secure. Price-wise, these are only going to run you about $80, making them a pretty affordable modification. It's certainly less than trying to replace, paint, or even wrap the full handles themselves. Now, I've said it in other videos, and I'll say it again here, so you can tune me out if you've heard this before, but I'm a big fan of anything that's less than $100 and makes some kind of either aesthetic or functional improvement. So if you like the way these look and don't want to compromise on functionality while still getting that blacked out look for your truck, I really don't think you can go wrong with a set of these. Installation gets an easy 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the whole job should really only take you about 30 minutes. Just make sure you get your handles nice and clean first so that these have the best stick possible. You also get a tube of adhesive promoter in the kit too, so make sure you get your handles nice and clean, utilize this guy to its full extent, and these are going to stay in place without any worries. And now to show you exactly how to get the job done, let's hand things over to one of our XT customers.
We're going to be installing our Trim Illusion door handle covers for the 2023 Toyota Tacoma Access Cab. As you can see, we have our door handle covers right here, and we have a microfiber cloth, some adhesive, and some 91% isopropyl alcohol. Next, we're going to clean the driver's side door handles. We're going to put some of that 91% isopropyl alcohol on and just give the handle a good clean. All right, looks pretty good. Now we'll just go get a dry cloth and we'll dry it up nice. Now we're just going to make sure it's nice and dry with a nice dry cloth. Great, we're going to do the same thing to the other side. The next thing we're going to do is to apply the included preferred adhesive promoter to the application site. The promoter is only needed on areas that will contact the tape. And as you can see, the tape runs right through the middle of the door handle cover. So we're just going to apply that adhesive right along the middle here of the door handle. So we're going to open it up, we're going to turn the cap over and pop it, and we're going to apply that adhesive promoter. Okay. Next step is to remove the protective film from the double-sided tape, and then we're just going to click that door handle cover right on. So we'll remove it from the plastic. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to remove the tape. And that red tape just peels right off. Okay, and then we're just going to click this right on top of the door handle. There we go. The second part here, which is gonna go right here, has 3 pieces of tape. So what we'll do is we'll just put some of that adhesive right down the middle, a little bit on the top and the bottom here. Okay. Open it up from the plastic. We'll remove that tape. Those 3 pieces. Gotta be a little careful. You don't want to remove the adhesive as well. There you go. And the third piece. There we go. And we're just going to click that right on. We already put our adhesive promoter on. Now we're just going to do the same thing on the driver's side. And you notice the smaller piece that goes here, there's a space for the driver's side one with the key insertion. So there's a little bit of a hole there. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put that adhesive promoter. Well, let's take it out of the plastic packaging first. That door handle cover. There we are. And what we'll do is we'll actually take the tape off as well. I'm going to peel that right off. Fantastic. And we're going to put that adhesive promoter, like I said, like we did with the first one, right down the middle. It's going to drip down a little bit, but we'll just put a little bit on right down the middle. Wonderful. And we're just going to snap that piece right on. There we are. Beautiful. Goes on nice. And then the smaller piece we'll take out of the plastic packaging. Take our tape off. Actually 4 pieces of tape on this one. Another one that goes right on the inner side of the where the key is inserted. So there's 1. There's 2. There's 3. 4, and then 1 more. All right, so our adhesive is off. We're gonna put some adhesive promoter on there. And then we'll put our last piece on. There it is, wonderful. Okay, and we're gonna snap that one right on. This one actually just sticks on, it doesn't really snap. So we'll hold that on there for a second, just to make sure it adheres. The existing door handle. And we'll let that dry on nice. An important thing to know for this product is that it actually comes with 4 handles. Even though this is an access cab, you do have the 2 extra handles, so you can keep them. If one of the pieces were to become damaged or come off, you could always use that spare piece. But this does come with the 4 pieces. So as you can see, a very easy install. Looks very nice.
That's going to wrap it up here for our review and install of the door handle covers in gloss black, fitting 2016 to 2023 Tacoma Access Cab and Double Cabs. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, for all things Tacoma, be sure to keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.